Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, we are going to be talking about my 5 favorites and 1 regret for the month of May. So if you are new around here, every month I do sit down and pick 5 items that I'm absolutely loving each month and 1 regret that didn't pan out as well as I thought it would. I enjoy doing these videos because they are items that can be just totally off the wall, not your normal stuff that I'd be talking about. And so I am really excited. It's all over the place for this month because with this whole quarantine, it's like things that I would have never normally picked up or thought of, and one that kind of came back to me that I needed again. So let's start. Very first thing I want to talk about. This has saved me. It is amazing. It is one of the coolest things, and I've tried a lot of different stuff like this, and I'm so excited. And it is my nails, right? We're all stuck inside. You can't get to the nail salon. Some places now you can kind of get back to them, but I mean, it's hard to get in, like it's craziness. And realistically, when I'm here for the summer, I have a nail place I go to, but I really hate to miss a beach day. And if I miss a beach day and do it on a rainy day, it's mobbed. And so I've tried tons of those old school press-on ones. I've tried the Kiss glue-on ones. I've tried all different ones, and they all feel like I have a press-on, like an old school 80s, 90s press-on, nail-on. And I'm always so nervous to do anything because I'm worried they're going to pop off or come off. So I was like, I'm just going to have to live with my real nails during this whole thing. And my girlfriend, Kristen Game, she is here on YouTube as well, was talking about this on her Instagram stories one day. And so I was all of a sudden, I'm like, okay, when I hear her talking about these nails, I'm like, okay, I'm going to text her. I want to know more information, right? And she knows me. I'm crazy, crazy, crazy. Like I have certain questions and certain details I need to know. Few things. 1, I don't want to run my hands through my hair and have hairs stuck around the edges. I don't want to feel it pull. That's why I can't wear gel nails, guys. Like, because I start feeling it on the edges, I'll peel them, I'll pick at it. It'll drive me insane. I also want to, like, since I've been at this house, I've been scrubbing paintbrushes. I've been cleaning stuff. I've been redoing stuff. I have been digging my nails into everything. Like, I have been hard on them. So these nails are by a brand called Red Aspen. I had never heard about them before she talked about them. And essentially, it's kind of like the Kiss nails in a way, but 1,000 times better. So these are nails that you can purchase in a pack, and it comes with the nails, a file, a cuticle stick, and their glue. Their glue is a patent pending glue that apparently holds on better. Who knows? It works. That's all I have to say. So they have different lengths. They've got short, they've got medium, and they've got long. I have some, the shorts are what I have on, and I have filed them down. This color is no longer available. Actually, some of them are no longer available because they are selling out so fast because of this whole quarantine thing. But here's the kicker, guys. They're thin, and not thin as in like flimsy thin. Like they are so sturdy. It's crazy. They're not bending. They are thin as in they feel like your nails, they feel like your nails with gel polish on. They're not as thick as a dip nail, which as much as I love dip nails over acrylic, I hated how thick they sometimes looked because they do layers and layers. These are thin. They feel great. They stay like nothing you've ever seen. They actually are curved and go thinner down towards your cuticle. So when you put it on, it's kind of going under your cuticle a little bit. So as it grows out, you don't get that like caught edge. So these are ones that are discontinued. These are new ones, but these come with, I think you buy this in a set. So these nails range from $13 to $17 typically, depending on the color and the style. But these ones came in a set, and I think it was around the $30 mark with lashes. Then I got these ones for summertime too. And this came with a highlighter. This was it. These are all new ones from some tropical set. And then this one came with a blush. I have both the highlighter and the blush on today, and I'm loving them. But these are really cool. So this was a color that is no longer available, but I'm excited about this one. This is a short pair. And then this is the medium pair, okay? So they also have a petite size that is for like teenagers. It doesn't mean shorter in length, FYI, because I thought it did. So here, let's see. All right, so you see the difference in length with these, right? You've got the short right here and the medium right here in length. You can see that difference in length. That was my main reason for pulling them out. And these are more of an oval shape. I personally do not plan on wearing them as that long. These, which look, it's very deceiving. They look very short in this packaging. I file them down like a lot. Like, let me pull one out and show you the difference. I have been so impressed with these. The first set I put on lasted me, what was it, 7, 8, 9, 11 days. And this set I have on now, I've had on for almost a week now, and they're not even budging. So let me pull, so this is what it looks like when you get it. So the nail file is up here, has two sides, a buffing and a filing. Comes with their glue. It comes with the cuticle stick. These are some extras. I honestly, you could use one full set, and then you could also do it where you can keep them and use some for fills. Can you see the difference in the length there? So I filed just a very little bit off, but you can tell the difference in length there. So I do file them. I don't keep them at that length. I've actually been using a glass file, which Kristen had suggested, and I really like it. And to get them off when you're done with them, all you have to do is use dish detergent and water, like a lot of dish detergent and water, soak them, and then I took a nail that's like one of the thumb ones that are like way too big for me, and I just went around the edge and popped it off. She did tell me to get those little flossers, the ones that are like, it has a handle and it's like a horseshoe. She said, and run that underneath of it. I haven't tried that yet, but I did pick up the flossers. Let's stay with makeup, then we'll go into fashion. So my lash extensions are off, as you can well see here. They've been off for quite some time. I've been using which lash serum is it? I changed it up. It's the Revita Lash one. I change my lash serums up. I find I get better results if I don't use the same one consistently. And the Sephora VIB sale was going on at, I guess that was the beginning of May. And I ordered a bunch of mascaras because I needed mascaras. I only had one in my thing that wasn't expired or, dried up. And so I ordered some, and literally they just came in like 2 days ago. It took forever, but I needed something in the meantime. So I was at the grocery store and I was like, all right, I'll give this a try. I saw it. It's Maybelline and it's Define a Lash Mascara. I am obsessed with this, guys. This is what I have on now. It's 2 coats. It is a rubber bristled brush. I'm going to do this so you can see it real good. Kind of goes a little bit out at the edges and then goes a little bit tapered in the middle. It is super fine. It is not a super wet formula. I don't do the whole wet formula thing. That just makes a mess on me and it touches my brows. It has not flaked. It has not had any issues. If I feel like my curl starts to fall, I've been just using my eyelash curler and re-crimping. But that's only like if I'm going out somewhere afterwards. And by going out somewhere afterwards, I mean if I'm going to the grocery store and I feel like curling my lashes. But I am loving this. I have not found a good drugstore mascara in a while. I actually got the new mascaras in and I haven't even started using them because I like this one that much. Now, I had mentioned the possibility of doing some wear tests with mascaras. So actually trying them on, telling you guys my first thoughts, and then wearing it throughout the day and seeing how the curl holds and things like that. If that's something that you think sounds like a good idea and you'd be interested in seeing that on Wear Test Tuesdays, please put a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. The next item. So I noticed without my lash extensions and because my Botox needs to be done so desperately, even this is can you see the difference? Because I get my Botox back here, it lifts up. The difference is crazy. So I feel like my under eyes are much darker than they've ever been. So I can't wait until I'm able to go do that again. That is at the end of June. I'm going to get my Botox, my filler, my Kybella, and my last laser treatment. So I'm very excited about that. So recently I have been using again the Becca, and it is the Under Eye Brightening Concealer. This stuff is great, guys. It is such a light pink, but it does such a good job. I mean, you can tell how light that is. It does such a good job under your eyes to really brighten up. It cancels out any gray or blue tones. It smooths in very nicely. You need the smallest amount of this, guys, to make this work. You can put it on with your finger, with a brush, with a sponge. It is amazing. I put it on before I put on foundation, and then I put concealer on after foundation. and it has been a godsend. It has just brightened up my face. So I have gone back to really, really enjoying and loving that. Next favorite, let's talk about joggers. We've all been stuck at home. Who's wearing jeans? I haven't worn a pair of jeans. I think I've worn a pair of jeans once through this whole thing. That's it. I mean, really, I've been living in leggings, joggers, comfy pants, sweatpants, anything. So I have two pairs that I'm absolutely loving. The first pair is this pair here. It is from Walmart. They are so cozy, soft, guys. So just amazing. You remember old school, like fleece lined kind of like sweatpants? I mean, these are fleece lined. These are actually by, it says Athletic. I bought them in a size large because I wanted them kind of big and oversized. They do have pockets. They have them in a bunch of different colors. They taper down to the ankle. They are so cozy and they're under like $20, I think. So amazing, so soft, and so cozy. And the next pair is a pair that actually I have on right now, so I can't show them to you, but I will put something in here where you're seeing them. And these are a black pair. They are actually from Amazon, and they are by a brand, Danskin. Do you guys remember that when you were younger? Danskin was like a brand you used for, like, if you were into dance, obviously Danskin. And like, I forget what else it was, but I remember that brand from when I was younger. They are so cozy, so comfy. Again, around the $20 mark. They have pockets. Now, the Walmart ones are a little bit longer and down to your ankles. These are more of a cropped one, the ones from Amazon. But both of them are so cozy, so comfy. I love just throwing them on, and it's just the perfect little something to wear if you're not in the mood for leggings. Now on to the fifth item that I'm going to talk to you guys about, and I have a bunch of them to show you here, but I want to talk to you about them, and it is graphic tees. I've always had a love for graphic tees. A good graphic tee with like a blazer and a pair of jeans is like my all-time favorite outfit. The one I have on right now is super cute. It says Friends across it. I love just little throwback ones. They're really fun. All of these new band tees that are coming out again. Target is probably my favorite place to buy graphic tees. So I'm going to show you a couple of them. The first one I have on is the Friends one. It is from Target. Then I have this super cute floral Guns N' Roses one. This is not white. This is like it's not even a cream. It's more of a yellowy cream color, but how cute is that with the Guns N' Roses? Just super cute. Then from Target as well is this great little throwback retro MTV one. They also have one, I think the one now has like a palm tree to it. It's super cute, but this is like the camo one. I really like that. Most of these I get in a size large. I like my tees to be a little bit bigger. This one is not particularly a brand one. This is from Target as well. It's just a great little, this is so soft, this tee, guys. It's a great little just like leopard printed graphic tee. Super cozy, very nice. This one, we've all seen it all over Instagram. I've had it for quite some time. It is the Rolling Stones, just the black throwback one. This is a great little vintage one. I wonder if I got this in a large. I did. This one, definitely a large is the right size. And I recently picked up, or ordered, I should say, the one that has the lips all over it. It has like, what, 3, 6, 9 sets of lips, I would say, going across it in different colors. And I think it's a dark heathered gray, but such great little graphic tees. The last one is not truly a graphic tee, but I want to show it to you because it's one I wear all the time. It's just so fun. How cute is that little glitter lip? This one is from Amazon. It is in a size large as well. This is made so well, guys. Has so much stretch and give. I absolutely love that. And the last one I wanted to show to you guys is this one. How cute is this? Totally retro vibe, the Kodak whole thing. I will say this one is a little bit cropped, but this one actually works. This is from Target as well. This one actually works amazingly with these joggers, because if you have too long of a tee with joggers, it just makes you look wide all over, whereas this kind of gives you a little bit of dimension. This one is in a large as well. Now on to my regret for the month. The one regret I have for this month, and I was so excited about this. It was the very first thing that I put in my shopping cart for the Sephora VIB sale. It is the, I'm going to look at the name, the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Fluid Powder Foundation with an SPF of 20. I thought I was going to love this, guys, and I shipped it back. I do not very often ship a product back that doesn't work for me. I generally give them away. This just, it just was that bad. I have a full wear test on that. If you are interested in that, I will post the link up above and down in the description box. But realistically, I wore it throughout the day. I didn't like the way it applied. I didn't like the way it wore through the day. Although it was made for a combination skin and was supposedly dried to a powder finish, it was not the right foundation on my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this favorites video for this month. I hope you are all staying safe and starting to get out there little bit by little bit safely as we can. And as always, guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you click that little red button right down below and followed along. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, I will post 2 additional videos that might be of interest to you here. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.